Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to hide your best friends on Snapchat. It will be an easy tutorial, so hang on till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open Snapchat. After opening Snapchat, you will be in a page something like this. You can see the chat icon in the bottom of your page. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you will be on your chat list and you can see all the chats you have. You might be able to see smiley face besides few of your friends. That smiley face in Snapchat indicates best friends. Then you can see your profile icon in the left upper corner. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you will be on your profile page of Snapchat. You have to scroll down until you find My Friends. After finding My Friends, you have to tap on that. After tapping, you will be on your friends list. Then you can see best friends and your other friends as well. Now you have to long press on the friend you want to hide. After long press, a menu like this will pop up. Then you can see chat settings on the second option. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you can see a clear from chat feed in red color written. Then you have to tap on that. Then a menu will pop up to confirm if you want to clear the conversation. You have to tap on clear. After tapping, go back to your chat list by tapping on the drop down icon. Then tap on the back option, which is in the left upper corner. After this, you will be on your chat list again. Then you can see the best friend with whom you have cleared the conversation is no longer on your feed and is hidden. So that was it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.